let us first define what is a Cartesian set. Supposedly, I have this set. The Cartesian set is defined as A cross A, and this means what? If I take first element from this set, and if I have B let us not take A cross B. And we have another set B as A comma B. If I take my first element from set A, तो ये क्या कहता है? A and B. This means you have to make a pair, and the first element should come from set A, and the second element should come from set B. So once you form such a pair in which order was important, this pair became ordered pair. And if I make all the possible combinations that are possible, okay, a set appears, and this set is called Cartesian set. Okay, this is the logic. Now, why are we studying this? The basic question we should ask is, whatever we are studying, why are we studying? So let us take a set of human beings, and if I do a product, this product is a very special kind of product. It is not like the product that we have already learned in algebra. This product has this set was called Cartesian set, and this process of doing this was called Cartesian product. And the Cartesian product is a very simple of pairing two elements in a specific order. Now, why is this important? Now, see, supposedly if I make a set of human beings and I do a Cartesian product with again the same set of human beings, so it will make ordered pairs in which you will have one human being and another human being, right? So what we have done is we have paired all the human beings in this world. All the possible kind of interactions that are possible between human and human are covered into this Cartesian set. But now what we will say is basically, sir, it's okay that we have this Cartesian set, but what will I do of it? There are so many human interactions that I'm not interested in. Syria mein kya chal raha, I do not, mujhe nahi farak padta. And whatever is happening in Kashmir, I do not care. So what do you care about? So I only care about the relations. I only care about those part of this sets or those ordered pair of these sets which are basically my blood relatives. Okay? If I take any subset of this Cartesian set, any subset, based on any criteria, any subset of this Cartesian set will be called a relation. Now, obviously, you will not do it randomly. You will have certain criteria behind it. And based on that criteria, for example, if I say that, sir, I want only those elements where they start with 1. So we will have a relation which is a subset of this. So from definition, it is the subset and nothing else. It will form this relation. But underlying relation, there was always a condition of that relation. Fine. But from the point of view of definition, strictly, any subset of this Cartesian set will make a relation. Now, these relations are useful. Obviously, have you already understood? You do not want to study all the relations, all the ordered pairs, all the interactions in this world. You just want to study few interactions. And also that interactions have certain value to you as a human being. So what we did was we made subsets of this Cartesian set, and which were like whole of the interactions that were happening. So this is how the concept of relation came into being. So a relation is defined as a subset of Cartesian set.